So let's play with that scenario. Let's say this works. Let's make it work in this
Okay.
case. So you will start 20 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say 20 years ago.
Yeah.
And you normally overfund that policy. When I'm saying overfund is in, and again, I'm not going to say whole life because there are different kinds of whole life, index, universal, variable life. Let's just say something that builds cash for this conversation. Um, so you, normally it has minimum premium, it has target premium, and it has a limit pre-MEC modified endowment, and that's a range. So people that want to do that kind of scenario, like you're saying, overfund the policy more than the minimum,
Yeah.
more than the target, and very close to modified endowment.
Okay.
So you're pushing a lot of money into this puppy,
Yeah.
whatever that solution.
Yeah.
Now, and we need time. We need consistency and time. So as we keep doing that, now the policy people will describe it as equity. You're adding a lot, and your risk gets smaller and smaller because the assets that you put in, the insurance company is not in the hook for this thing. Let's say you're protected for 1 million,
Mm-hmm.
and now you overfunded so much that your premium plus the interest that you're making, whatever version of that is, now is covering your risk, but only for that specific amount. Let's say you're insured for 1 million,
Yeah.
and now the policy is 500,000 in money that you put in.
I put in 500,000 paid up premiums.
Mhm.
Okay.
And the interest rate, whatever, everything.
Mm-hmm.
Now your risk is only 500,000. You're still paying the premium for 1 million,
Right.
right? So as you keep doing that, now we're adding that up, and there's going to be time, like 20 years. You're saying 20 years. I don't know exactly when, depending on age and all that. That your risk will keep pushing your death benefit. There are rules for that. And I would say 10, 15 years that you're doing that. Now you will have more money that you invested in,
Mm-hmm.
and you will have the life insurance plus interest. And that will work. But you see, now we extended for 15 years. We were overfunding for 15 years nonstop, right? Nothing happened to you, and you kept doing that. That works.